In this video, we'll talk about how to maximize the longevity of your Unbound Merino clothing. Two principles form the foundation for making your superfine merino wool last as long as possible: gentle and rest. When it comes to rest, alternating your garments is a great way to increase longevity. Of course, some folks like me will wear the same Unbound outfit every single day for a week straight when traveling, but draping and airing out while I sleep lets my Unbound do just that as well. Rest while I do. Rest also means allowing merino wool's naturally antimicrobial properties to do the work of maintaining cleanliness and killing odors on their own instead of washing frequently. In fact, washing less often preserves the fiber's strength, elasticity, and softness. Speaking of washing, if you have the option, using mild detergents is a bonus to help maintain the look and feel of superfine merino wool. You can find our complete washing guide link down below, but one important rule is to never put merino wool in a dryer. After washing, draping or laying flat to dry is the best way to maintain the integrity of the fibers, and this extends to storage too. Folding your Unbound pieces will allow them to rest without any strain, while hanging, especially heavier merino wool pieces, will cause unnecessary pulling from gravity. Perhaps the most impactful way to maximize the longevity of your Unbound merino pieces is with the second principle: gentle. High friction causes the greatest strain on merino wool, so being mindful not just of the activities you're doing, but also the types of clothing you're wearing with your Unbound merino is important. For example, jackets with Velcro and zippers can cause pilling from constant friction. If you plan to store your Unbound merino for a long period of time, for example, putting your heavy knitwear away during the summer months, folding and storing in breathable containers will enable your garments to be in gentle rest for months on end. If you're concerned with moths, natural repellents like cedar or lavender are perfect for merino wool. Thanks so much for watching this video, and by the way, this t-shirt I'm wearing out here, as you can see from this tag, which they've long since stopped using, is from Unbound Merino's first ever production run from 2016, and as you can see, it still looks and feels great after all these years. And now you know everything there is to know, so you can enjoy your Unbound Merino for years to come too.